Good morning, my name is Oscar with O&D General Contractor. Today is November 5th, 2023. And this morning I'm in Lanham, Maryland, 9204 5th Street, Lanham. And I'm about to do a repair attempt video for an insurance company which have approved the replacement of the back slope of this roof and repairs for the front slope. Okay, before I start with the repair attempt video, I'm gonna walk you or do an overview of the whole roof. This is the front slope, which they approve only repairs, and this is the back slope, but where they approve the full replacement. You can hear the plywood is very soft, and there's a major wind damage right there. They already have a leak. Before I leave, I'm apply a tarp on the affected area right there. So once again, this is the back slope, which the insurance approved for a full replacement, and this is the front slope where the insurance approved for repairs. And the repair that we're gonna conduct is here in the front. We're gonna replace this shingle right here, and in order to replace the shingle, we have to break the seal for this line right here, the one that we're gonna take off, and this other shingle right under, and the one above, to take this off and install the new shingle. Okay, so bear with me, I'm by myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the phone in my toolbox, which I got already set up. The tools I'm gonna use: flat bar, hammer, and of course my gloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this right here. Once again, stay with me, okay? I think that's good enough. Shingle is so brittle. Seeing a lot of granule. As you guys can see, okay, the shingle is so brittle. There's a lot of granule, causing more damages on the shingle above. So brittle, so probably about, I don't know, more than 20 years old. Shingle probably discontinued. Once again, insurance approved the replacement of the back slope, but only repairs in the front slope. Thank you. Hopefully we can get this claim approved, and we do the full replacement, the back and the front. Thank you.